Soothe your little one to sleep with the Fisher-Price Soothing Motions Bassinet. Is your baby having trouble settling down? Introducing the Fisher-Price Soothing Motions Bassinet in Falling Leaves. The perfect blend of comfort and calming features to help your little one drift off to peaceful slumber. This isn't just any bassinet. It gently sways to mimic the natural motion of being held, soothing your baby with a calming rhythm. You can manually activate this soothing sway, or let your baby's gentle movements do the work. And for extra peace of mind, there's an optional lockout feature. But the soothing doesn't stop there. The dual-mode lighting offers a soft nightlight and a captivating projection of leaves onto the bassinet's canopy. And as your baby grows, the projection unit transforms into a delightful tabletop soother. 30 minutes of calming vibrations, music, and nature sounds further enhance the relaxing atmosphere. Plus, a flat sleeping surface ensures your little one is always comfortable and safe. The deluxe overhead mobile with adorable plush characters adds to the visual appeal. The Fisher-Price Soothing Motions Bassinet is designed for babies up to 20 pounds, 9.1 kilograms. Give your baby the gift of sweet dreams. Visit our product page today to learn more and order yours.